Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elisha Williams. Today I will be showing you guys how I prepare and film an audition. Some people may know, some people may not know. I'm an action.
Side eye.
Lulu always trying to get some screen time. She got that screen time from the last video. She been acting like an A-list celebrity for real. I am an actress. I've always wanted to be an actress since I was 8 years old, and I'm finally able to tap into the industry, so I'm tapping in, baby. I filmed a YouTube video for doing background work for a friend of the family, but I didn't upload that because I couldn't even record on set, which you usually can't. So I don't know. If y'all want to see that, let me know. I also did a commercial, so I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can go watch the commercial that I was in. Like, it was so fun. It was so cool. Met some really cool people, and I got some experience. I received an audition on the 27th. It's the 28th. It's due the 31st, but I submit them early. You're supposed to submit auditions early. I'm kind of just a planned out person. Like, all my school stuff is right here. Sticky notes on deck. Like, I plan stuff out, so I'm not gonna submit it the 31st. I'm probably submit it tomorrow. You guys are gonna come along in the process with me of preparing for an audition, creating a character, getting into that character, and filming that character. Voiceover time, guys. So right here I'm just starting to print out my sides, and sides are basically scripts given to actors for an audition. It's not exactly the entire script, you know, it's just a little taste test. Just getting jiggy with it, yes, period. Anyways, y'all, I ate that. So right here I'm just doing some character analysis, so forming my character's beliefs and morals and background. And right here I'm just highlighting my lines and my reader's lines so we don't get mixed up, and also adding any additional notes to the script of anything I find important. And yeah, now I'm about to set this bad boy up. Look like I'm in a 5-star Hollywood production room. Let me show y'all what I'm gonna be using today. So I have Tech backdrop as well as this lighting kit, and right now I am using this wonderful tripod from Walmart. It's broken. Every time I film I have to put this on a chair. Phone like adapter, the camera part still works. I can still connect my camera into this, but my phone, if you'd like to donate, let me know. I'm just kidding, guys. To hold up my Tech using the newer drop holder thing majigger. This way. It needs to be taller than me. Yeah. Even though I'm literally 6'7". Next up is our backdrop. Look how big it is. Like, this thing is, like, it's huge. Oh my gosh, I look so little. At least I smooth. I could literally edit this. Should I make it like a galaxy? Or Patty, touch the Eiffel Tower. The next thing we're setting up is this light. Just use one because one is usually good enough. It's a lot to take out these lights, bro. This is what it's getting set up on. Oh! Setting up the actual light. This is the soft box, as I already knew.
Flashback.
This is the soft box.
End of flashback.
It kind of reminds me of like that animal, like when it goes in and out, like the, what's that, like lizard. And next is the actual light that actually makes everything happen. This is what makes the magic come to life, really. This is what does the job, really. Before I put the softbox cover on, I like to check and make sure that I even screwed the light bulb in right. Whoa, y'all see that light? Like, look at that. It literally lights up my entire room. I feel like Beyonce. Oh, it's diagonal. Y'all really didn't get to see that part. Here's the finished light. Yes, audition time. Let's go. I'm gonna turn the overhead lights in my room off so y'all can see how powerful this light is. It's a bomb diggity light. So I'm waiting for my cousin to get back because he's always my reader. Shout out to him.
So this is me checking out the final setup and getting into my character's outfit. This is just me practicing a few more times. And here we are recording, and I can't let you hear any of the audio because that is private information. And here's a little sneak peek of what it looks like.
We finished filming, so now I'm just taking everything down, going ahead, having to submit my tapes and cleaning up and doing all that jazz. Y'all know how long it takes to fold this up? Fold it like in half. Oh my gosh. You have to fold it in half first. And then, I might do it this time. And then you have to fold it like that. Can I do it? No, I got it, yeah! Y'all can see I'm finna get in this shower, baby. I'm ready for bed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, comment. So yeah, this was fun. I hope you enjoyed, and peace out.